Here we are at heading down towards the fish market. We'll be going back to the aquarium later. As you can see, there's a lot of traffic here. About 25, and I'm starving to death. So we'll be heading on down and getting some fish and chips. They got the best fish down here. This place is loaded with fresh fish all over the place, which you're going to see real soon. Down here towards the fish market. I'm going to go the back way here. Another back way down here. Dock to the fish. And coming up here on, oh, there's a good restaurant down here. Chris, Mike, and I ate down here before. Now it's my turn again. Here we are. Fish everywhere. Everywhere. Look at all this fish. My goodness gracious, come on. All these fishies. Fish, or is this all authentic Australian fish?
It's a good Australian fish.
Good. Where are you from, sir?
Italy.
Italy.
Yeah. Where are you from?
Los Angeles.
America.
How are you doing? God bless you.
Same here.
Are you Sicilian and Napolitan?
I'm not Sicilian, I'm Calabrese.
Oh, okay. There you go. There you go. How are these shrimp? Are they good?
Very, very good.
Yeah. Hang loose.
Hanging loose. I heard Australian shrimp are a little salty.
What?
Are they salty?
No.
No?
Give us some of that other one.
Boy, oh boy. Which is a better shrimp? What, this little one here?
Yes.
The little one's better than the big one.
You're going to try that one then?
Oh, yeah.
So you missed the earthquake, eh?
The earthquake?
Yeah.
Big earthquake over there, that's right.
Oh, what? San Francisco? When?
Los Angeles.
When?
Yesterday.
Yesterday. Was it big?
No, big enough, but nobody got hurt. That's good.
No, that's important. Well, that must be why I'm over here. God's on my side.
No, wild from the ocean.
They're wild from the ocean.
They've got hands cultivated.
Cultivated.
Farm. Different flavors.
These are the ones that I had at a major seafood buffet up in Cannes.
That's right. They're the ones.
You gotta do some heavy cleaning of those. They got a lot of orange stuff in the back.
Yeah.
Right?
That's right. You can eat that.
What is it?
Right. It's eggs. Right.
Oh, is that what it is? Eggs? I see. I see. All right, he said Doyle's is the only place to eat here, so. Hey, buddy, what's happening? Who knows? Doyle's is the only place to eat here. Hello. Oh, that fish looks good. Is that all just freshly deep fried? Hello? Is that all freshly deep fried?
Yeah.
Is what's the best platter to get? With shrimp. I like a lot of shrimp. Pardon?
I don't know. You wanted the fried one?
Where are you from?
Italy?
Everybody's from Italy in the fish market.
Yeah.
I guess you guys are the fish experts, eh? Well, you know what they do back in the States, you know, if they want to get rid of somebody, they send them a fish in a newspaper. That's a bad sign. You've heard of that?
New York Magazine.
Well, hello again. Probably asking yourself, you saw the fish, Paul. So what happened to your meal? Well, essentially, hey buddy, sit. No man, big deal. Doesn't know what's going on. He thinks I'm talking to myself. Essentially, I had, let's see, 8 prawns. She threw in about 6 calamari. I was still hungry. So before cracking the old bag, I went back and caught some more fish. Happened to get some of the these what they call flatfish. I'm pretty full now. Getting ready to go over to the aquarium. And before I did, I thought I'd just chat with you a bit. You're probably saying to yourself, "Yo, Paulie, where are your bros?" Well, just to fill you in, it's a little brisk out here. I gotta keep my Kubra on. Well, Mike and Chris took off beginning of the week. It's now Friday. Down here, so who knows where they are. I just checked into a hostel at the Astoria up on King's Cross. The seediest part of town, of course. And that's where I'll be staying tonight. Of course, the plane leaves tomorrow at about 12:15. I hope they're right. I better call back and make sure that they'll get me the right story. Other than that, things are going great. It's pretty decent weather down here. I thought Chris and Mark were going to run into some major cold weather, as everyone was warning them. So I'll just finish in my Tui's ready. Pull out one of my Vapor cigarettes, as the Australian brands are not really what they should be. I tried it, of course. Is the Australian accent working? I don't know. And head on up to the aquarium. Talked to the manager up there, and she was very concerned about what I was going to video, whether or not I was going to make like I was going to be scuba diving and hero all these sharks. So we'll see what happens. By the way, you know, a pack of cigarettes here costs $3.20. It says right on here, smoking reduces fitness. Yep. Lion safety matches. Yep. Matches are 20 cents a piece. No freebies. It is beautiful. It was a little cloudy earlier, but it's gorgeous to get down to Darling Harbour. Of course, you got a couple people fishing over there, the real poles. Well, we're going to head on up now and check out the sharks. Cheers to you, mate. No worries. Here's the other side of the fish market where I was sitting. Here's my buddy again. He's always down here looking for shit. I don't know what the hell he's doing, but you can hear the reels in the background. Oh, deck of cards, I see. There you go. They just throw the shit in and Doyle's. Boy, I just ate about a half pint of oil at Doyle.